Hey, good people. Welcome to this afternoon versions of Better Hoods and Gardens. I'm your host, AJ the DJ. And so today we want to talk about when purchasing a building to fix or flip, you have to pay attention to the details. And these details I'm talking about is check your roof, check your structure, check your foundation. So in this house, the roof was bad. It had about a 2-inch hole in the roof. So if you're a homeowner, you gotta every so many years make sure you send somebody up top, look at the roof, get it checked. In this case, the roof was letting water in, which deteriorated all this wood, so we had to tear it all out, reframe it before we installed our new low E energy efficient windows. So that's just one good tip that you're gonna have when you're purchasing a house, whether you're gonna fix it yourself, hire somebody to do it, or whatever. So make sure you check the roof, pay that few extra dollars, get somebody, hey, go up on the roof, pay the plumber. Pay the plumber to come in and snake a camera in the drain. Make sure the drain pipes are good. So you never know, these unexpected things can happen and it'll run your budget right through the roof. So today, yesterday, we changed all this wood, we framed it out, we installed the window. Now this here allows us to put our insulation in, then our drywall contractor will come in, put his drywall on, finish it off, and it all look beautiful when it's over with. So we want to take a look right back here in the back, and I'm gonna show you how we framed out a brand new window.